If your screen or monitor is flickering on your Windows computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. So we're going to start by updating our graphic card drivers, and we can do this by heading over to our Start menu, and we're going to search for Device Manager and then come over to the Device Manager panel. Inside of this window, we need to come over to Display Adapters here and expand this list, and you need to locate your graphics card from the list here. And we're just going to right click on our graphics card and come into Update Driver. Then you just need to press Search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, I'm running the latest driver on my device. Now, the only problem with using this method is sometimes it's inaccurate and it will tell you you're using the latest driver when in fact you are running an outdated driver. So to take this one step further, what we can do is go to the official website of our graphics card manufacturer. So for me, I have an AMD graphics card, so I can go to the official AMD website and just install the latest drivers via their official site. So once you've ensured you're running the latest graphic card drivers, we can close out of these windows, and we're going to come over to our Start menu and search for Settings, and then head over to the Settings tab. From the left here, come inside of System, inside of Display, and we need to come down to this Scale option here and just ensure that this number is set to the recommended amount, which for my computer is 150%. And you'll also need to do the same with Display Resolution. Just make sure this is set to the recommended resolution size, and then we're going to scroll down to Advanced Display, and at the bottom here next to Choose a Refresh Rate, just make sure this is set to the highest number available, which for me is going to be 120 Hz. And once you've done that, we can click once again on the System from the left here, come back inside of Display, and then we're going to scroll down this list and come inside of Graphics at the bottom here. Click on Change Default Graphics Settings, and we're going to try disabling this Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling by turning it off. And then from the left here, we're going to come over to Windows Update, and then you can go ahead and press this Check for Updates button here, just to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows. So once you've installed any pending updates available, then you'll need to come over to Accessibility from the left-hand side here, inside of Vision Effects, and we're going to make sure Animation Effects here is disabled and turned off, as sometimes this can be another cause of this flickering issue. And now if you've tried all of these steps and your screen's still flickering, the very last thing that I'd recommend is to head over to Apps from the left here. Come inside of Installed Apps, and you just want to look through your list of applications and try uninstalling anything that looks suspicious, or perhaps anything you've newly downloaded, as sometimes third-party applications can cause conflicting issues with our monitor. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any flickering issues you're experiencing. If this video did help you, then please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Until next time.